Hi dear client, I am Ashik. This is a local project that I have completed. It's a local job in Bangladesh. The website name is April Sky. I am showing it to you in Adobe XD. These are the wireframes of the whole website. There are about 75 pages which are framed to my client choice. This is a section of the whole wireframe. Developer is now developing the site, and now the prototype section. I'm scrolling and hovering over the options, and there is animation right there. This is just simple glimpse of my UI design. Hope you liked it. If you want to order, please follow the description. Message me before placing any order. And thanks for watching.